To Air 3 or not to Air 3? That is the question, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why. The answer is yes. As I do this, I will throw in some images from my Mini 3 Pro. Once I get the Air 3 in hand, I will be doing comparisons between the Mini 3 Pro and the Air 3. The Air 3 have a dual camera system. The main camera is a wide angle 48 megapixel and f1.7 aperture, which is exactly the same as the Mini 3 Pro. However, it seems that DJI have done something special with the sensor for this camera. This is something known as a stacked sensor. Because of this, the imaging from this camera is more superior than that of the Mini 3 Pro. The second is a 3x optical zoom medium tele camera, which is the same as the one on the Mavic 3 Pro. Looking at what DJI have done makes me think of the Frankenstein monster. Hey, what's the big deal? It's their technology. They can swap any way they want. If you're one of those people who want to know every details of the specs of this drone, fast forward to the end of this video. They're all listed there. Just slow down or pause the play so you can be able to read it. By taking the technology and design of previous drones, recent drones, DJI appear to have created a monster. Hey, I will not know until I get that bad boy in my hand in about 4 days. The cameras are not the only thing borrowed from recent DJI drones. The Air 3 is fitted with 2 front and 2 rear fisheye sensors that I like to call shock eyes, which provides omnidirectional sensing for this drone. You will also notice that the battery slides in from the back. A lot of people give this credit to the Mavic series of drones, but I go all the way back to the Mini series. This is when DJI first put the battery in the back. Yes, the Mini had a door on the back, which I felt at the time could be gotten rid of by a simple redesign. Last but not least, let's not forget the new transmission system, OcuSync 4, which is embedded in the upgrade to the original RC controller. Yeah, I know I said 5, but let's make it 6.